This is a 2-year program. The digital marketing program prepares students for careers in the workforce that may not exist yet, or those that use excessive technology. So our courses really focus on students using those tools in a business format and helping businesses succeed. Students learn a variety of digital tools. They learn the Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. They take a course called Digital Audio and Video, in which they practice with Premiere and they make commercials. We have a social media strategy course where they're using social media tools for business, and then a digital marketing campaigns course where they're actually executing a social media plan and posting on Blogger, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of those throughout the semester.
We're learning how to use social media for businesses, how to use it to promote yourself and others in an intelligent and thought-provoking way.
I actually own a business in Osseo. It's an antique retail store, and I own a coffee shop as well. So having this experience with digital marketing is going to help me tremendously with my business to kind of take it to the next level.
My favorite part has been the design parts, learning how to design the websites, the videos, the Photoshop and stuff. I love doing that.
It's so much fun, but you're also doing intelligent stuff, which is just great.
I think the digital marketing program really lets you explore your creativity, and one thing I hear over and over from the students is we become such a family and so connected that they don't want to miss classes. They want to be here. We are all invested in our students, and the students are invested in the work.
Phenomenal teachers. It makes it enjoyable to come to school.
How informative the teachers are, how kind they are, how much they want you to succeed. They're trying to make you the best that you can possibly be.
10. My favorite aspect is that I watch them come in and they get impassioned, they get empowered, they get really excited about these programs and see how well they can do. And by that 4th semester when they're graduating, they have so much confidence and they're ready to take on the world.